Hey guys, now it's time to sing our songs. A lot of these songs you already know, but there is one new song that I'm going to teach you today, and I'm so excited. Let's start with our hello song. It goes like this. Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Let's do it again. Ready? Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good job. All right, the next one is our new song, and it's called I Am Here, and You Are Here. It goes like this. I am here, and you are here, and we are all together. I am here, and you are here, and we're gonna have some fun. And then we're gonna do a bunch of different motions after that, okay? So if you noticed, I did together. This is sign language for together. We put our hands in fists right next to each other with our thumbs up, and then we make a circle with our hands. Can you do that? That means together. So let's try it again. Ready? We'll start from the beginning. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. Nice, ready? I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. Nice. So far we did clap my hands, nod my head. Now we'll go back to the beginning. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to stomp my feet. Nice. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. That's all of our motions. So can we go back and do those all together? All right, you can do it. Ready? I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you for learning that new song. I hope you like it. We'll make sure to practice again next week. All right, our next song is our Blackbirds. We all know this one. Ready? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. We're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Nice. Now we're going to sit in a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back loud. Nice. Now we're going to sit in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away slow. Fly away fast. Come back slow. Come breakfast. Good job. All right. So those are our songs. Now we're going to get our scarves. And like I said, I don't have my scarves here at home. They're at school. So I got a bandana. You could use a clean sock. Don't use a dirty sock because that would be smelly. Ugh. So you could use a clean sock. You could use a towel, like a dish towel, or a hand towel from the bathroom. You could use a washcloth that's clean. You could use a bandana. There's lots of things you could use. You could use a scarf if you have a scarf at home. So our first song is going to be Wave Your Scarf. Ready? Hopefully you guys remember this one. It's been a little while. It goes like this. Wave your scarf up and down, up and down, up and down. Wave your scarf up and down. Wave your scarf. And we're going to go left and right. Wave your scarf left and right, left and right, left and right. Wave your scarf left and right. Wave your scarf. Now we're going to go high and low. Wave your scarf high and low, high and low, high and low. Wave your scarf high and low. Wave your scarf. Now we're going to go around and around. Ready? Wave your scarf around and around, around and around, around and around. Wave your scarf around and around. Wave your scarf. Now we're going to wave goodbye with our scarf. Wave your scarf, wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Wave your scarf, wave goodbye, wave your scarf. Awesome job with that one. Mrs. Capella needs to take a breath. Do you need to take a deep breath? Ready? Let's breathe in together. And out. One more. Ready? In. And out. Nice. Sometimes it's good to just catch our breath when we're singing or we're running or we're jumping. You never know when you might need to catch your breath. All right, guys. Now we have popcorn kernels, which is one of your favorites, and I wish we could all be doing it together in the library. But this is pretty fun too. Okay, ready? Get your scarf. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Woo! I caught it. It almost fell on the floor, but I got it just in time. Good job. You ready to do it again? All right, ready? Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! All right, my friends, Jack in the Box. So you can either crouch down. I know some of you guys like to crouch down, or you can put it in your hands like this. I'm going to put it in my hands so you'll still be able to see me. Okay. Oh, sorry, big yawn. Jack in the Box sits so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will! Yes, good job. Ready to do it again? Let's do it in a whisper voice this time. See if you can hear me. Ready? Whisper. Jack in the Box sits so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will. Woo! Good job. All right, time to put our scarves down. We're going to sing our goodbye song. It's already time to be done with library. So I hope you guys really enjoyed our stories and songs today. I love you all and I miss you all, and I hope that we can see each other soon. Okay, ready? Let's sing our goodbye song. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next week. Bye, friends.